What benefit did you get from the STA strategic tax planning for you and your business?
When the consultants came to me, they came to me with three things that I should look at. One was tax planning, one was estate planning, and the other one was liability for the company. I felt that I'd paid good money over the years for experts locally, and I felt that it was time that another set of eyes should look at all of those things. It was comforting for me to have the consultants do that and come back to me with suggestions. They gave me several ways to save money on taxes. I've implemented some of those and very grateful for that. When the economy improves or goes down, I've got those at my beck and call to use. As far as the estate planning, you always are worried about your family. It's always nice to have a second set of eyes look and make sure you've done the right things. They question several things, but I'm very comfortable with my estate planning at this point. The thing that I probably have used the most is the liability protection for the core company. They pointed out to me that in my business there is a lot of liability in what I do. And breaking it up into separate LLCs or professional corporations made a lot of sense, and it makes me feel more comfortable that the core company is protected from a legal suit. It's a very litigious business that I'm in, and it does comfort me to know that I've done that. And what we've done is separate the real estate from the core company. We've done that in 2 locations. We have separated the fleet of trucks and pickups that I have into a separate leasing company, so that if there is ever an accident, certainly the leasing company is the first one to get hit, and the core company is protected. And the last thing we did was I have several engineers working for me, and we broke the engineers out into a professional corporation so that their liability is now separate from the core company. It's very easy for my insurance company to rate each one of those, and actually it saved me money from an insurance standpoint. They can actually see the separation of liability now, and it's actually resulted in savings to me.